What's the meaning of cost-benefit? Cost-benefit. Cost-benefit.
Cost-benefit. Cost-benefit. Cost-benefit refers to the process of weighing the potential costs and benefits of a particular decision or action. This approach involves analyzing the potential positive and negative outcomes, assessing their likelihood and impact, and then determining whether the benefits outweigh the costs. By carefully considering the costs and benefits of different options, individuals and organizations can make more informed and effective decisions. Overall, the goal of using a cost-benefit analysis is to maximize benefits while minimizing costs and potential risks.